Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Need an idea for Halloween? Watch this step-by-step video and learn how to make these chocolate fudge brownie cauldrons. These are the ingredients for the chocolate fudge brownie. Remember the recipes in the description. Start off by melting the butter. Then add in the chocolate. Mix this until smooth. Keep this on standby for the next step. To a medium mixing bowl, add in the sugar, followed by the melted chocolate and butter mix. Mix until you no longer have lumps of any sugar. Then add in your eggs and mix until smooth. Then add in all of the dry ingredients. Mix until you have a lump-free batter. Then pipe or spoon into dome silicone molds. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 17 to 19 minutes. Avoid over baking as this could result in a brownie with a cakier texture. For the chocolate buttercream frosting, you'd need the following ingredients. Add the soft butter to a mixing bowl, followed by the vanilla extract. Mix these together for about a minute until the butter is lump-free. Then add in the cocoa powder and mix in. Once smooth, add the icing sugar in stages, mixing well with each addition. Use just enough icing sugar until you get a light and fluffy buttercream frosting. If needed, add in a few drops of milk to soften the mix. To get the brownies out of the mold with minimal mess, once they have cooled down, refrigerate for about 10 minutes before taking out. To make the chocolate frosting as smooth as possible, I carefully made a DIY scraper from a yogurt tub. Alternatively, you can smooth down the cauldron with a palette knife dipped in hot water. Aim to get an almost round curve. To assemble the cauldrons, dollop on a bit of buttercream frosting, then place over a piece of baking paper, followed by another dollop of buttercream frosting. Then place on a chocolate fudge brownie, spoon or pipe on some buttercream frosting, and place another brownie over it. Then cover the brownie with chocolate buttercream frosting by either piping over or spreading with a palette knife. You could then use the DIY scraper to get the curved edge. Pipe out the rim of the cauldron with a plain nozzle. And then the handles using a smaller plain nozzle. For the potion, you would need the following ingredients. It is really easy to make. Simply mix together the soft butter and icing sugar until smooth. Divide the mix between two bowls. Color one green and the other purple. Finish off the cauldrons by piping or spooning in the potion mix. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next week.